Now, itong 2-tier or 3-tier LAN design, it can be said na ito is nasa isang building. For example, let's take for example itong 2-tier LAN design natin. Okay? Or itong 3-tier LAN design na lang, ito na lang. Ito yung building 1 ng kumpanya ninyo. Okay? And yung kumpanya ninyo has 4 buildings, for example, or 5 buildings. Okay? So, ang pag-design mo ngayon ng network, meron kang access layers dito, meron kang distribution and core. Okay? For this building alone. Pero pag tinignan mo yung buong kumpanya nyo as a whole, okay? Magiging 3-tier LAN design yan lagi. Bakit? Okay, you might have implemented a 2-tier LAN design dito. Ito, in terms of building B, yung marketing and sales, ito yung ito yung 2-tier LAN design mo. Ito yung core nyo sa building na yon, and ito yung access layer switches. Pero, pag tinignan mo yung buong network nyo as a whole, yung 5 building or 6 na building na to, okay, itong core mo dito for this building becomes the distribution. Saan ang core mo ngayon? Nandito sa main headquarters building ninyo. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, sa building C, yung engineering, this is the core of the engineering, ito yung access. Sa ating headquarters building, yung switches dito sa headquarters, ito yung magiging core. Ano mangyayari dito sa core ng building C? Magiging distribution. And these switches will still become access. So nakikita nyo kung paano natin ini-scale from a single building design. Okay? Kunyari, yung kumpanya nyo, maliit pa lang siya. Isang building pa lang. Then, lumaki yung building ninyo. Ay, yung building. Lumaki yung kumpanya ninyo. Okay? Then, nagkaroon kayo ng pangalawang building. Nagkaroon kayo ng pangatlong building. Okay? Same pa rin yung pagka-design mo on each of the buildings. May core, may collapse core and 2-tier LAN design. May core and access. Pero, pag kinonekta mo na yung lahat ng buildings together, 3-tier LAN design pa rin ang kakalabasan mo. Okay? And, pag nagdagdag ka pa ng ibang buildings, okay, magkakaroon siya ng access, magkakaroon siya ng distribution, and yung core mo pa rin is yung headquarters ninyo. Okay? Now, for those who have are working na as a network engineer and nagtitake lang as a refresher, okay, by taking my course, meron kayo sigurong napapansin sa network ninyo or nagtatrabaho na kayo sa isang kumpanya. Okay? Siguro natatanong nyo, sir, meron kaming data center daw sa US. Meron kaming data center sa may UK. Parang ganyan. Saan ang core namin? Okay? Ang magiging core ninyo is yung nasa US at nasa UK. Dalawa ang core ninyo. Okay? Then, yung mga buildings niyo dito sa Philippines, sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, sa Japan, sila yung magiging distribution. And yung mga individual buildings sa mga locations nyo on those countries, meron kayong mga access switches doon. So it can span on a global scale. Pero you will still maintain the 3 parts ng hierarchical network design. Core, distribution, access. So ano ulit trabaho ng access? Dito natin kinoconnect yung mga users. Distribution, dito natin kinoconnect yung mga servers. Core, this is one of the fastest it has one of the fastest processors and speeds on your network kasi it needs to forward, okay, yung mga data ninyo from one building to another in as fast as possible. Yun ang trabaho ng core. Okay? So, hopefully, naintindihan nyo yung hierarchical network design natin. So, punta lang tayo sa next slide. So, itong itsura, okay, ng isang hierarchical network design. So, nandito yung mga access switches mo. Then, you have a distribution layer switches here. Then, you have your core switches here. Okay? So, maganda yung drawing. Let's go in real life. Okay? Ito, physical interpretation. Pero, majority ng mga diagrams na titingnan nyo sa network engineer, ganitong itsura. Okay? So, switches pa rin lahat yan. Okay, but these switches are designated for the access layer. These switches are designated for the distribution. And these switches are designated for the core. Now, anong itsura niya in real life? Ganito. Ayan, 2-tier LAN design na na-discuss na natin to. Okay? Basically, it has a collapsed core and it's used by smaller businesses to reduce the network cost while maintaining most of the benefits of the three-tier hierarchical network design. So, anong itsura nito in real life? Ganito. Nakikita nyo sa screen. So, ito yung mga access layer switches mo. Okay. Ito, nasa isang cabinet lang to, ha. Okay. Andito yung access layer switches mo and nandito yung core mo na dalawa. Okay. So, ang tawag dito is a two-tier collapsed core design, two-tier LAN design. So, you have access switches here, it can be, pwede siyang magkakasama, pwede ring hindi. Okay? Katulad ng ginawa ko sa hotel, yung mga access switches ko, tig-isa sa isang floor. Okay? Pero dito, for this instance, sa picture, lahat yung access switches mo magkakasama. Okay? Then, nakakonect sila lahat sa iyong core, which is nandito. Yung dalawang device na to. So, kung mapapansin nyo, mas maraming ports ang access layer switches natin kaysa sa core. Kasi ang trabaho lang naman ng core is to connect all of the switches together, okay, and transmit data from one switch to another. Okay? Para mapunta dun kung kaninong computer ba yan or printer. Okay, yung data nyo. Now, this is another example, and this is much more real life. Magulo ang data center. Eventually, maayos yan. On the first part, maayos yan. Okay, eventually, as the days and the years go on, gugulo siya ng gugulo. Okay? Pero as you can see here, andito yung mga access switches niya. May kita nyo, may switch dito, may switch dyan, may switch dito, may switch dyan. Meron pa dito sa baba, nakikita niyan. Mga access layer switches yan. And itong mga to nakakonect dito. Okay? Sa panels natin dito. Okay? And ito yung mga tatakbo pupunta sa mga computer ng mga users. Okay? Now, nasaan ang distribution layer natin? Probably nandito siya sa cabinet na to. Okay? Well, actually, parang ito yung access layer switches. Nakikita ko dito, may switch dito. Ito, switch yan. Switch ito, switch yan. Switch ito, switch yan. Okay? Makikita nyo, may connectivity siya rito. Okay? Nasaan yung distribution switch natin? Andito siguro. Kasi nakita ko ito, yung orange na yan, fiber optic yan na nakakonect dito. Ito yung distribution natin. Okay, so ano ang kargada ng distribution? Switches natin dito. Ito probably mga servers to eh. Kasi medyo magulo. Okay? And, andito yung mga servers, lahat sila nakakonect dito sa distribution. And yung distribution natin nakakonect dito, mapapansin nyo kung konti lang yung equipment dito. Ito yung core natin. Core switches natin. Ayan, nandito yung routers, nandito yung core switches. So, ang itsura nito, core switch nakakonect sa router papunta sa internet. Core switch nakakonect sa distribution para ma-access yung mga servers. And distribution nakakonect sa mga access layer switches natin to connect the users itself. So, that's the two-tier LAN design. Okay?